Currently, we are in the second module. So far, we completed first module. In our first module, we discussed regarding basic concepts, in which we discussed regarding basic terminology. We even got the few idea regarding ethics. Then we started our discussion with our second module. In our second module, the focus is on profession and professionalism. Let me give you idea regarding what we did previously. Let's recall what we did in a previous session. So in our previous session, we discussed regarding profession, professional, and professionalism. We got the idea regarding all these three. What is the meaning of all these three that we got to know? Afterwards, we have even seen the importance of professionalism. Before that, we have even seen one video. If you recall, there was one video in which a director of the company was there with one of the prospective client, the customer, and there was one watchman who was working in that organization. And director was not respecting that person's job. Director was even giving few personal tasks to that person, and he was always not dealing with that person politely, always using some harsh word. And then the customer gave the idea to the director that you are actually not following professionalism in your dealing. You are not respecting that person's job. You hired him for particular task, but now you are even giving some personal task to that person, which is actually work exploitation, which you should not have to do. He indirectly used some technique to give them idea. When the manager was there with the file, if you remember, then this client was giving some task to the manager that please clean my shoes and make a green tea for me. And then director was having argument that why you are asking those kind of stuff to my manager, he's the manager. And then client made a point that I want you to understand about that person's profession as well. He is doing this work, though he is in requirement of that particular job, but you are not doing any kind of favor to him, because the you are also in need of that person's job, and that's why you hired him. So you should not have to do work exploitation, and that was the message that we got. So we even discussed about the importance of professionalism in the work environment, why it is important to have professionalism in all your dealing. So this is what we did in a previous session. Now I will take you to our today's discussion. So let me share the screen. Today we are going to have some interesting aspect. I'll give you the idea. Okay, I hope the screen is visible. Here, this is our second part, profession and professionalism part 2. In this, we'll see one case study. I'll give you the idea what you can call as case study if it is new for you. Before that, I will also show you one video. This video is very much interesting one. So let me show you the video. Here, you will also get the idea regarding professional behavior. So let me share the video. All of you are requested to pay attention here. There is no dialogue in this video. So you should have to focus on this, what is happening. Later on, I'll also discuss with you what's your understanding. So let's go for it. So can you guys see what the video player, once I'll get the idea from you, we'll go for the video. Okay. So guys, what you got the message from the video. Now, can you tell me in the chat box what was the message from the video? The video was about two robots and they were collecting some green stones. And as I told you, there was no dialogue and you just have to watch the whole video. So, can anyone tell me what was the message here? What you can learn from the video? Dipesh, we are not taking attendance. I hope you are aware about it. Yeah. Uh, Manyot is saying that teamwork and support. Yeah. Darsha is writing down something, a big one. Let me read. Uh, the message which Darsha wrote down here is everyone has different skills and we have to respect their skills by working together. We utilize different skills for maximum and efficient outputs. Definitely. Like you have seen that when the small robot was working alone, he is not that much capable to break some stone, but he was having ability to scan through and he was having that ability to identify if there is a green stone in a big and somewhere or something, right? So that was a first skill that small robot was having. While if we talk about the big robot was also doing the same task, but he was not having ability to scan, to identify whether there is a green stone in a big stone or not. He was actually breaking all the stone which were coming on his way, and on some he was getting the green stone, on some he was not getting it. But later on, they even worked together. They found each other that I am having this skill, other person is having another skill, so let's work together. So team work is very much important. Darsha is very much right. Further, one more answer we got here. Yeah, Arsalan is saying that it was about how to maintain the balance in any way among or between a team. So definitely, you are aware that you will definitely get a chance to have something more, but how you are making a balance, that will definitely be the most important thing. Yeah, Manivat is also saying something that our combined efforts make a big difference that we can't achieve alone without others. So teamwork is the important thing. Second aspect is about professional behavior. Like you have noticed that earlier they started working together and they were even doing something good. They were getting more number of green stones, which they found that let's divide equally, and they were even doing it. Later on, earlier it was even number, so they were able to have a equal share. But when there was an odd number which came, odd number of greenstone came, then there was a one type of greed which we have seen in both, in small robot as well as big robot. Big robot was thinking that I'm the one who is doing more work, so that so this extra stone I should have to get. While the small robot was also having the same idea, I'm doing more thing, so I should have to get more share here, so that extra stone I should have to get. And later on the big fight happened like we have seen, and there they were actually not valuing each other's work. Everybody's work is very much important. You should have to behave professionally in the environment. You will definitely come across some of the situation in which you may have a difference with your colleague, your teammate, but ultimately you should have to focus on the company's goal. in the final output. You may even notice, you may even feel this situation when you are going to work in the corporate world. You are having big differences with your colleague, with your teammates. And if some big important tasks are there, if you're just refusing because you don't like to work with that fellow, then it will harm you as well. Like in this video we have seen, both took their own revenge. The big robot was capable enough to destroy something, to throw something, and he used that ability to have a fight with a small robot. He even threw a big stone on small robot and got the green stone. Later on, even a small robot took the revenge by using the parachute, like we have seen, and we have seen uh, the outcome as well. Both were getting nothing at the end of the fight, because big robot was went away with the parachute, and small robot was left with no charging. So it do possible that if you want to harm someone, ultimately somewhere or later you will get the harm because of your own work. So in a team, you should not have to forget, you should have to behave professionally with others. And that's the main message that we got. Thank you guys for participating. Now we'll go for our case study. As I told you about the case study, so let me give you more idea regarding case study. Case study is something in which some situation will be provided. Like here, we are going to do the case study of Johnson and Johnson, which is a real story, but sometimes you may even get hypothetical case study. In hypothetical case study, situation is imaginary. It is not related with the real event. So in case study, you may find two types. First is a real case study, something that is based on the facts, something that is based on real incident. The another is on imaginary. Most of the time, we are going to learn from a real case study. So this is the one that we are going to discuss. Johnson and Johnson. You heard about this brand, and you are even aware about this big brand. Johnson and Johnson is present here in India. It is also there in so many different countries. You are even aware about their products. They are having wide range of products, and this is about their one of the case. So this case study is very much important. All of you should have to pay more attention, because I am going to share some information with you. Later on, we are going to take attendance in the Google form, in which you have to answer few questions related to case study, so that I can get the idea that whether you understood the case study correctly or not. So all of you are requested to pay more attention, because we are going to have questions after this case study, and it will be counted as your attendance. So I'll share some information. If you want to note down somewhere, you can definitely note down. You can pay attention here. I'll give you the idea what is happening in this case study, and later on we'll go for the discussion. So this is the case regarding Johnson and Johnson, and it is the case regarding their foreign market, their Western world. And this happened in the year 1982. Somewhere in 1982, this incident happened. They were manufacturing few products. Let me show you that product. So this is about their famous drug, which is available in the Western world, Tylenol. Tylenol is kind of pain reliever, as well as is a fever reducer. So this is one kind of tablet, one kind of medicine, which Johnson and Johnson was manufacturing. It was focusing on the child with a different age group, but later on they even found it effective on the adults as well. So Tylenol was available for children as well as the adult. This drug was very much famous. This medicine was very much famous in the Western world, and Johnson and Johnson was there in the market from last many years. So people were having a great trust on Johnson and Johnson. So when they were facing some kind of trouble regarding health issue, so Johnson, they were even buying this drug of Johnson and Johnson, and because of this, Johnson and Johnson's market share was 35%. It was a big market share. Once again, it was having 35% market share with this Tylenol drug, and it was very much famous. Tylenol was a big competitor for rest of the medicine provider, and it was very much famous. Now, like we have seen in the previous slide, some kind of death happened. There was a controversy that few people, after consuming Tylenol capsule, they were dead. So 5 people reported death after consuming Tylenol capsule, which was having cyanide. We are aware that cyanide is very much deadly, and it will definitely can take human's life. So cyanide was there in Tylenol capsule, and people were not aware about it, and they consumed it. So many people died, and because of this, the big controversy started that Johnson, after consuming this drug, many of the people were dying, and it was there on the news. So you can definitely imagine the situation of the company. If something, some kind of wrong ingredients found in some company's product, it will create a big trouble, and so many people will definitely take a negative view about this company. So some kind of investigation started. Company called for a big team to investigate what is going wrong. Actually, uh, company was not using cyanide as one of its ingredient, but you are aware that sometimes some capsules, some medicines are uh, there in which some can definitely change the ingredient. So few people who wanted to damage the company's reputation, they change this ingredient in the Tylenol drug. The packaging was not so much tamper proof. Right now, we are aware that if you want to buy any kind of medicine from the market, you can identify whether the packaging is having any kind of damage, whether it is tempered or not. But earlier, as we are talking about 1982, in that time, the this particular product packaging was not tamper proof. So few people, those who wanted to damage company's reputation, they inserted cyanide. They changed the ingredient in some of the products so that many of the people can die, and they were even succeeding it. And Johnson and Johnson was not aware about it. They called for investigation team. The CEO of Johnson and Johnson at that time took this incident very seriously. Before government issues some guidelines or some kind of steps, they started investigation, and this CEO was very much concerned about the customer. He was very much concerned that if uh, there is change in the ingredient in some more products, and some cyanides are even found in some other products, and people unknowingly, if they are consuming it, so even they will die. So urgently he called for a meeting, and before some invest we do know that investigation will take a time, and if you want to get the accurate result, it will definitely take a time, because they need to check everything, all the aspect. So this CEO don't wanted to go for longer period of time. So he was not waiting for the investigation, and then he called back all the products. So it was a big decision which he was making. He called back all the products of Tylenol from the market. And at that time, somewhere 31 lakh products called back. Just imagine 31 products from the market. They were called back because of this particular issue. Government was even not suggesting, not insisting Johnson and Johnson to take this much big step. You are aware that calling few products from the market will also increase a cost for the company. It will create a huge loss. So Johnson and Johnson was very much ready, and the CEO was also very much ready that let's go for calling back all the products because they were so much concerned regarding the customer. This decision was very much big, and many of the competitors and many of the speculators in the market, like you are aware that the expert may even predict that this will create this particular effect or this effect. So, the speculators and the competitors were having this speculation in their mind that this is a big step for Johnson and Johnson, and it will create a huge loss for the company, and company will not be able to recover from this loss very soon. So it will take almost 3 or 4 years, which experts were believing that Johnson and Johnson will take to survive in the market, because 31 lakh is a huge number. Later on, uh, they got all the products back, and they were even changing. They were even destroying all the products. It was they found that it will have definitely some negative impact, but let's destroy everything. So Johnson and Johnson and the CEO, they were ready. They destroyed all the products. Later on, they reintroduced this Tylenol drug once again in the market after 1 year. And now at this time, they are with the tamper proof packaging. They already got the idea that our product can definitely get tempered if somebody wants to, if somebody want to change some ingredients and want to look like the original one, so they were able to do it. And that's why Johnson and Johnson was facing this crisis. Now they thought that let's uh, change the packaging. Now they introduce a tamper proof packaging, which was a new idea in the market. And they even advertise on the TV media and everywhere that now this is the new packaging. All of you are requested to please buy only the packaging which is uh, not having any temper, which is completely tamper proof. So people got the idea. People even started using Tylenol once again. Why? Because they were very happy with the steps Johnson and Johnson took. As I told you that they called back all the products, 31 lakh product back. So it created a positive image on customers' mind. They got to know that company is taking care about customer. That's why they were even advertising when they call back the product. They advertise that please don't buy our product because there is a cyanide and an investigation is going on, and we are calling back all the products. So if you are having product, please give that product us back. So that provided a very positive image about company on customers mind, that they got the idea that company is taking care about the customer. And this calling back 31 lakh is going to cost a huge for the company. So customer got this idea. They were even they positively welcomed back the Tylenol drug. And once again, uh, Johnson and Johnson secured its marketplace. As I told you earlier, they were having 35% market share, which after reintroducing this Tylenol drug within next year, they secured the same market share, and afterwards it was increasing somewhere near to 40%. Okay, so it was a huge success story, and from this we can definitely learn about many of the aspect. Further, let me give you some more insight about the case. Like, they acted very quickly in this case. So this is the big learning, that whenever you are going to visit in whenever you are going to be there in the corporate world, you can get this idea from this is the great learning from Johnson and Johnson and their handling of this crisis very successfully. So it says that they acted very quickly with complete openness about what had happened, and immediately sought to remove any source of dangers based on worst case scenario, not waiting for the evidence to see whether the contamination might be more widespread. As I told you there, that CEO of the Johnson and Johnson was not waiting at all for the problem, and they called back all the product. The investigation was already going on, but they thought that let's call back all the product, let's not wait for the uh, investigation, because it may even cause so many people's life. So this is the first point that we can learn. They found the problem, they acted so quickly so that they were not getting further problem. Second point is also important. It says that having acted sought to ensure that measures were taken which would prevent quickly, they then, as far as possible, recurrence of the problem. Like I told you, they reintroduced the product once again after 1 year, and now at this time they were having tamper-proof packaging. So it was also big advantage for Johnson and Johnson. They even advertise that now our product is more secured. You can get tamper-proof packaging. So this is also one of the thing that we can learn. In future also, if you already found that there is a problem with your product or with your company's process, so you should have to take corrective step. In this case, Johnson and Johnson already identified that their product was not having proper packaging, and that's why few people inserted cyanide as an ingredient, and they took so many people's life. So they found the problem and they even found the solution, so that in future the same problem will not occur. So this is also another learning that we can learn from Johnson and Johnson, how they handled their crisis. Further, the third point, it says that they showed themselves to be prepared to bear the short-term cost for the customer safety. Like I told you, they call back 31 lakh product back, and it was a huge cost for the company, but they were ready to bear that short-term loss for customer safety, and which created a huge impact on customers' mind, a positive impact on customers' mind, and that more than anything else, they establish a basis for trust with their customer. Even customers got the idea that it was not Johnson and Johnson's fault. Some other people did it, and they even ready to bear the cost of calling back all the product, destroying everything, and reintroduce something new. So that's why they even got the market share. So as I told you earlier, they were having 35% market share. Then they even got the same market share after introducing this Tylenol once again. So this was the case in 1982, and we have learned so many aspects from this case study. It was a real case study. Now, as I told you, at the end of this case study, we are going to have few question and answer, right? And we are going to take question and answer in the Google form, and it will also be counted as your attendance. So I hope all of you are ready. But before that, if you are having any doubt, query, please do ask me in the chat box. If you are ready, then go for the questions on Google form. But before that, I want to make sure whether whether you understood the case correctly or not. If you missed any of the part, do ask me. If you got it, then also you can reply that yes, sir, we got the case study correctly. Okay, I got one answer, one message that we can proceed, sir. Great. I hope, yeah, Darsha is also saying yes, sir. Great. Yeah, Drashti also said yes, sir. So, so far, three students replied that they are clear with the case study. Now, I'll give you one Google form link. You will find few questions there. In some question, you will see options. You have to, as we discussed in this case study, you have to mark the correct answer, and later on, the last question is open-ended. It will ask you about what's your understanding, what you consider as the most important thing done in the case study. Okay, so you have to provide your answer in the written form in last question as well, so that we can get the idea. So with this, let's go for the Google form, and this will be counted as your attendance as well. Okay, so don't miss this. We are not going to take a separate Google form for the test, for the attendance. In this, you will find your attendance as well. Okay, so let's go for it. Let me provide you Google form. Yeah. So guys, I just pasted the Google form in your chat box. Now all of you are requested to please go on this Google form. It will ask you few questions. Kindly mark your answers. I'll give you 10 minutes for this. Currently it is 1:47. So at 1:57, I will end this Google form. Before that, please make sure you submit the Google form. Whatever you understood, you have to mark from the given choices. Okay, a few people are facing trouble. Let me check. Let me provide some link to you. Okay, in your case, please do mark 4. There is no 4, just a minute. All of you can mark 3, otherwise let me add so that you can get the idea. Just a minute. Guys, just a minute, please wait. Give me a minute. I am making few changes in the Google form. We'll give you another link. Okay, now go on this link, the new link which I provided. You will find your semester 4 as well as your civil engineering. So now all of you are requested to please once again go on this Google form link which I provided just now. So go on this link, and now you will be able to see semester 4 as well as your civil engineering branch. Then you can proceed. Yeah, if it is already filled, don't worry. I'll get your responses. Yeah, those who already got submitted, don't worry. I will definitely get your entry. Vinay, we are not taking attendance here. Don't write down. Paras, don't write down. We are not taking attendance. I gave you the Google form. That will be counted as your attendance. So both of you go on this link. Those who already submitted and now it is popping up that you have already submitted, don't worry. I already got your response. Okay, no problem. Those who are facing some trouble, please don't worry. I'll give you some other thing so that you won't miss your attendance. I got a few entries already. The link is still open. If you are facing trouble, please don't worry. I'll give you some other way to mark your attendance. Sandip, we are not taking attendance. Okay, those who have already marked their responses, you are free to leave. Your attendance will be counted. Those who face some trouble, please uh, mark the attendance in this chat box. Give me your enrollment number, and then you are free to leave. Yeah, Darsha, you are asking about those who already gave the attendance in Google form. Don't write down here. Okay, don't give me attendance once again. It will be counted. If your submission is already done, it is counted in the Google form. This option is only for those who are facing trouble in accessing Google form. Okay. I hope all of you are getting this idea. So those whose attendance is already marked in the Google form which I provided, they are not requested to once again give me here. So don't do it. Yeah, Darsha, you are asking about the protagonist. That means who is the main person here, main character or something. What is the main part of this? How they handled this crisis very well? Because of whom? So I hope everybody's attendance is marked. You guys can leave this meeting. We'll meet in our next week's session. So all of you are requested to leave this meeting. Thank you, all of you. Yeah, no problem, Darsha. It's okay. Yeah, I told you, Arsalan, you can give me your enrollment number here in the chat box because you were facing trouble in accessing Google form. Give me your attendance here. Great. Once it is marked, you can leave this meeting. All of you are requested to leave this meeting. once your attendance and Google form is done. Yeah, have a good day to you as well. Yeah, Prashant, you are asking that why CEO didn't take action against tamper proof before calling back. As I told you in the case earlier, the packaging was designed in a such a way that anybody can change the ingredient, and it was not expected by the company that somebody will do it like this. Somebody will change the ingredient and will add cyanide in the product so that others can die. And it was not the earlier so much popular. Right now we are getting medicine which we can definitely identify if it is tempered or not. Okay, so earlier there was not so much famous thing in packaging. It was available very easily, and anybody can change the ingredient. Then they got the idea that this is our mistake. This is the new thing that we can provide, so that we won't face the trouble in future. Yeah, good question by the way. Yeah, welcome. So guys, now I'm ending this meeting. Hope nobody is left out.